Hello everyone, today we're unboxing the HIMI Acrylic 75ml 6 color set, which feels like unwrapping a burst of creativity. Inside you'll find 6 generously sized 75ml tubes, each packed with rich, highly pigmented paint. The creamy consistency would make the paints glide effortlessly onto the palette, offering smooth blending, vibrant opacity, and quick drying properties. So perfect for layering and experimenting on canvas, wood, paper, and more. As we swatch each shade, the bold hues come alive, delivering excellent coverage and a buttery texture that makes painting a joy. So first on line is lemon yellow, which is a bright zesty yellow that pops with freshness. It's bold and radiant, perfect for adding warmth and light to your palette or mixing with other colors for a vibrant hue. Next is the Oriental Red, which is deep, a rich red, which is full of warmth and intensity, offering a strong saturated color. This blends so well for creating warm undertones and dynamic contrasts in your artwork. Now you're looking at the grass green, which is a lively natural green with earthy tones, bringing a fresh and balanced vibe to your palette. It's ideal for creating lush landscapes or adding depth to botanical compositions. Next on line is acid blue, which is a striking electric blue that commands attention. Its boldness makes it perfect for creating vivid skies, backgrounds, or even abstract compositions. And now the timeless black, which offers a deep, solid tone that provides contrast and depth, perfect for outlining, shading, or adding drama to any painting. And finally, the titanium white, which is a classic white. It has a bright, brilliant opacity, perfect for mixing, lightening shades, or creating highlights in your artwork. It's smooth and versatile, making it staple in every artist's toolkit. So which HIMI color is your favorite? Let us know in the comment section. This set is a must-have for any artist looking to explore acrylics. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more unboxing and swatch videos. Till I catch you in another one. Bye and thank you so much for watching.